Topic: the water cycle. Good evening, Lily.
Good evening, Dr. Adayami Habib.
Welcome, Lily. Today we're going to explore the amazing water cycle.
I've heard of it, but I don't really understand how it works.
Ah, great curiosity. The water cycle is the journey water takes as it circulates from the earth to the air and back again. The water cycle, also known as the hydrologic cycle, is the process of water moving between the Earth's surface and atmosphere. It involves several stages, including evaporation, condensation, precipitation, infiltration, and runoff. The water cycle, or hydrologic cycle or hydrological cycle, is a biogeochemical cycle that involves the continuous movement of water on, above and below the surface of the Earth. The mass of water on Earth remains fairly constant over time. However, the partitioning of the water into the major reservoirs of ice, fresh water, salt water and atmospheric water is variable and depends on climatic variables. The water moves from one reservoir to another, such as from river to ocean, or from the ocean to the atmosphere. The processes that drive these movements are evaporation, transpiration, condensation, precipitation, sublimation, infiltration, surface runoff, and subsurface flow. In doing so, the water goes through different forms: liquid, solid, ice, and vapor. The ocean plays a key role in the water cycle as it is the source of 86% of global evaporation.
That sounds like a big adventure. What happens first?
It starts with evaporation. The sun heats up the water in oceans, lakes, and rivers, and it turns into water vapor.
Then what happens?
The water vapor rises into the air and forms clouds. When the clouds get too heavy with water, they release it back to the earth as precipitation, rain, snow, or hail.
Wow, that's amazing. And then what happens to the water?
Some of it soaks into the ground, becoming groundwater. Some of it flows across the land as runoff, eventually returning to bodies of water. And the cycle starts all over again.
Thanks, Dr. Adayami Habib. I now know more about the incredible water cycle.
You're welcome, Lily. Remember, every drop of water is important, and understanding the water cycle helps us appreciate our planet's precious resources.